Hi everyone! There are several ways people cook, but the goal is to achieve the same thing: keep it tasty and healthy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Ikokore. The water yam is peeled and roughly grated. I pour a cup of water in a pot, blended chili and onion, Cam APS, and cover. Add salt to the water yam, mix and set aside. Add some meat stock and bring to a boil. Then scoop out small pieces of water yam and put in the pot. Allow to boil, mix gently so you don't smash the lumps. Add Ponmo, smoked fish, and palm oil. Gently mix together, cook for 5 minutes and it's ready. Serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching. I'm Chef Annie Michael. Remember, if it tastes good, eat it.